welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for supporting me. And if today is your first time here, please click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification. I promise you I'll be giving you back to back content. And today I'll be making okwa porridge. Okwa is also known as African breadfruit. You can snack on it, like you can roast it and then enjoy it with a coconut. It's so tasty. Like I enjoy it a lot. But this one is a porridge. I'm making porridge with it. If you have fresh one, it's still fine. So I've already removed the sand from the okwa. I'm trying to wash, scrub, squeeze, whatever you need to do for your okwa to be purified, please do. So I wash this okwa for up to 3 times. Like I change the water. So this is the 4th water I change. And looking at it, the water is crystal clear, meaning that I have tried. I have purified the okwa enough. And please don't make the mistake of using a strainer to, like, you just after wash you pour everything inside a strainer and then no, you'll be biting on sand. So it's better you use your hand, and pack it, scientifically, majestically, whatever. So please do, so that you'll be sure that you're going to enjoy your okwa. So I'm using a pressure pot because okwa takes time to cook. Some people use potash to soften it, but then when you have a pressure pot, you don't need potash. You just use your pressure pot to save your time. Look, this is it. Like in minutes our okwa was done. That pan, the other side, I will not tell you what I was doing with the pan. So I'm using scotch bonnet, pepper, I'm using crayfish. So this is the okwa. Look at it. The okwa has then it's supposed to be dere like this. So I transfer this to the pot I'll be using, and then I've added the scotch bonnet, pepper. I'm adding little seasoning cube. Okwa is already tasty on this one. It doesn't need much seasoning. So at this point you can add your dry fish. If you're using dry fish or saltfish, you should have added them before now, so that they will cook so well. You should have cooked them together with the okwa from beginning, but I'm not using them, so I just added my crayfish. Now I'm adding some red oil to make the thing pop, so it will be popping. Please, have you subscribed to my channel? Try to subscribe. Please, I'm begging, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Guys, look at the okwa now. It is popping. The okwa is okwaring. Guys, I really like okwa. Like I enjoy it a lot. Now look at what the end product looks like. Take a look at this sumptuous okwa meal.